very happy. A part of this is a grand is a festival that by organizing the Gandon Festival. This Gandon Festival is one of the biggest festival in the country, the Philippines. So we are very much happy to join to this one. So for Gandon, for Yamaha is one of the most trusted dealers. And also they can serve good customer service for all of you. So we are already Yamaha is care about the product either in terms of design or technology. And I think you are very much enjoying the motorcycle ride. So coming 3 days, a lot of menu we are preparing. The Gandon is preparing. Is not only display, also the outside is testing driving. Also a lot of I don't know exactly, but a lot. Maybe you will surprise. So in a sense, you can enjoy the coming 3 days and enjoy the motorcycle ride for you. Yeah, thank you very much for come up to you. Thank you very much.
By the way mga kasama rin natin dito sa RevUp ang mga models ng Yamaha.
Janelle Cruz, Santa Barbara.
And the other girl.
Hello po, Shirley Sotelo. Hello. From Dagupan.
Ayan mga ka-RevUp, models of Yamaha para sa Guangzhou Festival. And with me right now is no other than Mr. Nelson Marquez of Kawasaki. Welcome, sir.
Welcome. Andito tayo ngayon sa Guangzhou Festival. So, 3 years na natin ginagawa to. So, next year, ini-invite namin kayo. Join us dito sa Robinson, Calasiao.
And sir, ano po bang mga bagong ng ating Kawasaki na ino-offer sa public?
So, ngayon, pinaka-latest namin, yung aming Rouser RS200. So, yung RS natin, maraming version yung Rouser series natin. So, ano si NS160, which is kare-release lang last September, October. Then, yung ating NS200. Then, yung ating number 1 taxi model na si Barako.
Ayun, ang daming bagong produkto pala at mga motorsiklo na may enjoy ng ating mga riders. Thank you very much for the opportunity, Sir Marquez.